my name is Marilyn Monroe.
And I am Sofia Berrara.
Welcome to the political stuff.
Sorry, the mesh doesn't have anything to do with political stuff. Today I am in discussion with Sophie Barrera about the last events between Colombia and Venezuela.
One my little birds told me the President Maduro didn't like the visit of the worst enemy Capriles to President Santos in Colombia.
Are you sure that this bird is reliable?
It is. Because it is Maduro's little bird. Oh. In this moment we have telephonic communication with Maduro president from Miraflores Palace. Oh. Good afternoon, Mr. Oh, sorry. Good afternoon, Mr. President. What is your opinion about the Capriles visit to Colombia?
Voy a arrancar, soy el chofer, manejaré la noche hasta el amanecer.
Oh, sorry. Sorry for the difficulties in communication. We return to the Miraflores Palace. Let's listen to his reaction.
A good friend of Revolutionary Force told me that yellow Capriles went to Colombia to cry before Santos. In Bogota, they think that because of the loss of our Commander Chavez, Santos' best little pal, now they can do whatever they want, forgetting that the Commander-in-Chief currently does told me in my Herbert shape. One friend of mine would you said, Mamola.
Te pintaron pajaritos en el aire, te juraron falso amor y lo creíste. Sus promesas se quedaron en el aire. Estás sintiendo lo que algún día me hiciste. Te pintaron pajaritos en el aire.
Whoa. This man is more revolutionary than a blender. What is your opinion, Marilyn Monroe?
No comment. We better listen to ex-president Uribe's reaction to the situation.
Dear children, I have put to the trust of my little legs. In President Santos' hands I have been decided. I believe it that he finally realized that he had eggs, and he decided to receive Venezuela position, taking Capriles. Very well, my child. You finally showed that you are a little man, and you have enough ball to be brave. Sorry, eggs to be brave.
Last minute questionnaire. Quick news. What is being cooked in Venezuela at the moment?
Although there are vain votes, some weren't counted in the president-elected ceremony. Agui roasted, and it is clear for everybody that we install the president, the reduced constitutional government of Venezuela, has the right to declare that our help to Cuban theater is declared in recession while we solve the toilet paper uses in our country.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring the presidential allocution from Nariño Palace.
Colombia people, good afternoon. In an attempt of revenge with the Venezuelan people and to clear this disturbed, we will send by diplomatic way and not through the frontiers one cheap lot of toilet paper for all, of the best quality and purity, which has always characterized use. Our relationship with Venezuela has always been characterized and will be by our values of behaving according to the mandate of men with men, women with women, in the same way and the opposite direction. And we are here to give love to Venezuelan men and women that have always been our brothers. Colombia, home or dead. Oh, sorry. This love is a video for my comrades.
After listening some mush crap and cleaning shit, it's time to eat chocolate bar.
But you are kind of fat, aren't you?
Talking about choice, let's watch the next commercial.
Are you trying to have the desired body?
Yes, sir.
Are you trying to make happy diets?
Yes, sir.
No, don't need some more. We have the solution.
What is the solution?
Body panza. Get most effective the market for reduced size. Body panza, you can twist size in just 2 weeks. This product has an incredible price of $69.
$69?
Yes.
Wow, it's incredible.
Oh, provide these promotions. 2 products, the body panza head boost masato with low calories and almoham stuff the short light. Call now 55555.
Ah, sorry. No, otra vez.
Dos.
Ah, sorry. The mesh doesn't have anything to do with political stuff.
Puta, ¿para qué llama? Mi novia, perdón.
Whoa. This man is more revolutionary than President. I know.